Say YouTube channel or Facebook education page. So today I'm going to show you how I book for the shore excursion, and I'm going to go on the Royal Caribbean cruise. So go on the Royal Caribbean cruise, um, you know, the offshore website, and after you log in, and you will see your upcoming cruise detail. And I'm going on the May the 4th to the May the 9th, and I will actually have two stops, which is Perfect Day at Coco Cay, and there's another stop is Cozumel, Mexico on this trip. So I will have to reserve for the shore excursion for this two. Perfect Day at Coco Cay, I already done reserve for what I wanted. So go ahead and go on those videos that I already done, and what I did, what I booked, and what to expect. And chances are I will put our experience on the day as well. Right now is March the 1st 2024, that about 60 days away from going on a cruise, but I might upload this video after the cruise. So let's see, so that way I can put all that videos together. What I prepare for the trip, and what you expect, and what is actually happened in our experiences. So on the shore excursion, when you click it, and you will see a lot of that. For our day two, we will go for Perfect Day Coco Cay. So all that, 4 spots left, 2 spots left. So you want to make sure you reserve. So for example, for us, we already reserved the zip line, so it's good, it's all paid for. And we already reserved for helium balloons right there for all family of us. And also for the Cozumel, Mexico, and you on the day 4, we're gonna go on Cozumel, Mexico, and you want to make sure you book for the shore excursion. Two reasons. One, you want to make sure whatever you want to go is not fully booked and is available, so you book early. And second, you got discount when you book early, like before the cruise. But on the cruise, you can still book. So this place I want to go, but I wouldn't have any time, because we have only about half day. So when you look at it, you need 4 hours and 30 minutes to explore all that, and you wouldn't have any much of the time. So what we book anyway for the Cozumel, Mexico is Scuba. This is what we book. Discover scuba diving, and this one, you have plenty of the stuff that you can book, and I recommend booking before cruise for that 2 reasons that I already explained. And also another reason, I would say that if you think that you're going to book it on the island, you can get scammed. And and I don't know, it's just like different transaction for the money transaction if you want to pay for. So because that's in Mexico, I'm not really sure what kind of card that is you should be using, because some credit cards can actually block while you're on like a different locations. Whatever, try to prepare as much as you can. So for us, is we already reserved that, and this one is only 2 hours and 30 minutes, so let's say about 3 hours. So after we done this one, and we can stay like swim on the like close to there's a place that we can also swim on the shore, like close to the cruise, so that we won't miss a cruise and stuff. Your cruise not gonna wait for you, they will just leave. So just be careful what you book and in the time that you have. So this one also, I have to read through all that and kind of research all that, so that it will fit to our interest. And this is minimum age of 10 years old, so I can actually book for me, my husband, and my first son, which is the elder son, which he is 11 years old. So my mom, 17 years old, and my little one, 5 years old, they are going to be like on the shore waiting for us. So what I did is really I read through all that, and plus I have to really look at YouTube channels or other people YouTube's travel blogs, and try to imagine what we will be doing. So hopefully this videos helps you a little bit about like planning in your next cruise, next vacation, next trip. So I hope you subscribe and like, follow, share with your other friends or family members, and we will also share our experiences later on about this Discover Scuba Diving. My first time scuba diving, never scuba dived before. I don't know nothing about the tank or nothing like that before. I just know how to swim a little bit. I'm scared of shark. I'm scared of everything. But I'm gonna go out of box and see how I'm gonna react. So all that will be coming soon. All right. Thank you. Good night. Bye.